Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and in a way that are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started.
Welcome to another tech tip. In today's tech tip, we're going to be talking about how to undo a typo that you make in either a text message or a notes document that you are writing on your iPhone. So let's say, for example, that you had written this really long post on Instagram or made a really long message to your friend and you wanted to actually change that, or you accidentally deleted it. So you can see here, I am selecting my text and maybe I did that and I accidentally deleted it or did something, right? What you can do is you can shake your iPhone and then it's going to say undo typing and you click undo and then your text is going to come back. This has saved me many times when I accidentally deleted text that I meant to copy or I meant to paste, and so I hope this will help you out as well. Alright, thanks for watching this tech tip. If you have any questions, please comment in the section below.
Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. Alright, see you in the next one.